Back to question 3. I'm pretty sure I can do it, but it's just a little bit with the exact values. Is that just using the triangles that we get
Yeah.
from the formula sheet?
Have I showed you how to find exact values? There's a really
Yeah.
cool way of doing. I think I have.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. What is it?
Is it just working around adding and subtracting the triangles? Is that it?
Oh, yeah. This one here, number 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're using what do you call it? Oh no, these are exact values. So okay, cool. So basically, yeah, we're going back to an acute reference angle, right? What would be the acute reference angle? Acute being first quadrant angle, like less than 90 degrees, between 0 and 90. What would be the acute reference angle for 135?
45.
45? Yep.
Yep.
Which quadrant is this in currently?
That's sitting in the second.
Yep. Is sine positive or negative in the second quadrant?
Sign's positive.
Positive. So basically, we've got sine 135 is the same as positive because it's in the second quadrant, and sine's positive in the second quadrant. Sine, and then the reference angle 45. Got it?
Yep, that makes sense.
Yep. And then cos 120 degrees would be what? What's the reference angle for 120?
The 60?
Yeah, 60. Very good. And which quadrant is this in?
That is, again, in the second.
Second quadrant. So is this positive or negative overall?
Negative.
Yes, because cos is negative in the second quadrant. So it's cos 60. Okay?
Yep.
Off the top of your head, without looking at your reference sheet, right? What's sine of 45?
That's 1 on root 2.
Yep, 1 on root 2. Cos 60?
That one I don't remember. Is that the half?
Yes, half.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right, so basically, your answer is going to be... one on root 2 plus a half. Got it? And then when you rationalize the denominator, what does that become?
Sorry, isn't it 1 on root 2 minus a half?
Yes. Of course it is.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. And so what would you do to both top and bottom to rationalize the denominator? This one? What would you do to rationalize that? So get rid of it.
Would you multiply it by root 2?
Yep.
Yep.
And if you do that to the bottom, you could do that to the top. And root 2 times root 2 is?
2. So it's
2.
Root 2 on 2.
Root 2 on 2. So it's root 2 minus 1 on 2. And that's your overall answer.
So D.
Yes, D.
Okay, that makes sense.
Got it?
Yep, thanks heaps.
With exact values, there is an easy way to remember exact values. Where's my ruler? Okay, cool. Whoops, it's just like a poor table. Okay, that's my poor attempt at a table. Sine, cos, 10, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Have I shown you how to do this?
Yeah, you did. It's
okay.
Some trick, yeah.
Yeah. Does anyone want me to go through it again?
Yes, please.
Jackson?
Yeah, that
Can you tell me what you remember?
I remember you start by, is it the 1, 2, 3, 4?
Close.
Well, that's like the 1 on, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And what about here?
That's the opposite. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yep. Yep. What do we do next?
The 10, I don't quite remember.
0 over 4,
Oh, right.
3, 2 over 2, 3 over 1, and then 4 over 0. Yep.
Yeah, because 10 is the gradient of sine and cos.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. And 4 over 0 doesn't work. You can't have anything over 0. So that's undefined. Okay. N for undefined. Okay. And then keep going. Jackson, keep going.
Then it's the root 2. Oh, no,
Close.
oh, no, the other way around. So it would be 0 root 4.
No, there's one other step
Oh,
before you square root everything. Put everything over. Put everything over 4.
oh, you're right. Yep.
Okay, put everything over 4.
I just got a low battery warning on my laptop. And
Okay.
yeah, so just letting you know.
Yep, and then basically we square root everything. Cameron? Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does for me.
Yep, and then you square root everything. Okay, now what's 3 over 1 equal to? It's just 3, right?
Yep.
So your answer is just going to be root 3. Yep. 1 over 4. What's the square root of 4?
2.
2. So it's just 1 over 2. Square root of 1 is 1. So it's 1 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Yep. 4 over 4 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 0 over 4 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Got it? 2 over 4 is a half. Square root of a half is 1 over root 2. Yep. 1 over root 2. And then 2 over 2 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 over root 3. You see what we're doing? And all of these ratios, these exact ratios, come out very nicely. Got it?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep. Artie?
Yeah.
You seen that before?
No, this is my first time. I usually just remember it as the triangles.
Yeah, you can do that too. Okay, whatever floats your boat.
Okay.
Yeah. Cameron?
Wait, did you? I couldn't hear what you said. What did you say?
Did you? So, do you understand how I got the exact values? The process that I went through?
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.